Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holidays with the Housewife video. Today I have a wonderful layered card for you. This is my Nativity layered card. There's the Holy Family right here in the center, the manger in the background, and some animals gathering around as well. There's a spot on the inside for your message, and of course I included an envelope as well. It's really simple to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. So let's grab our materials and get started. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project was part of Holidays with the Housewife 2023. To make this project, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. If you'd like access to the entire event from 2023, including bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing, you can purchase the VIP Access Pass at thebeardedhousewife.com/HWTH23. I have links to both of these options in the description box below. No matter how you purchase the cut file, make sure to download the cut file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the project has been brought into our canvas, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. We have some converting to some of the score lines to do, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Highlight the score lines, change that to Score, highlight the group, and attach. And lastly, we need to do the same thing for the card base. Highlight the score line, change it to Score, highlight the group, and attach. After these two pieces have been converted, you can go ahead and click Make It. And you can see the different mats for this project. Go ahead and click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium cardstock. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have all the pieces cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to layer up our front cover panel. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer all of these pieces together, but really quick I'll go through the different layers. You're going to start with the darkest brown layer, then the yellow, then the medium brown, light brown, beige, and then brown. Like I said, there is the layering guide within the download for you to use that as a guide. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I go ahead and layer these up together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. Alright, there we go. We have our front cover panel all layered together. I love how it looks. The different layers definitely give that nice dimension. I'm going to set that to the side for just a moment. We can mat and layer our messaging panel. Set that to the side. Now let's take our card base, fold and burnish along the score line. Open up the card base. Let's add our messaging panel to the inside of the card. Go ahead and close up the card base. And now we can add our front cover panel to the front. And there is our Nativity layered card. I'm going to set that to the side. Go ahead and let that dry. I'll show you how to go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're just going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Add glue to the outer edge of the inlay panel. Place the inlay over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. You might want to place the card inside the envelope because all those different layers in the front do add some bulk to the card. Go ahead and fold in those side flaps. Add glue to the bottom edge of the side flaps. And then with your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our Nativity layered card is all set. What did you think of this card? I think that the scene is so simple but really, really beautiful, and of course the reason for the season, right? I hope that you like this. If you make this card, I hope that you share it with me. Whether that be through email or through our Facebook group, I would love to see your creations. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Holidays with the Housewife video. Bye.